Hello everyone. Today we are heading to Snowdon Railways. Snowdonia Railway refers to a heritage railway line located in Snowdonia National Park, Wales, UK. The railway line is around 25 miles long and runs through beautiful Welsh countryside, including forests, waterfalls, and mountain landscapes.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yeah. And we'll have about 30 minutes at Clogwyn Station. Can I please ask you all to remain seated whilst the train is moving? A couple of reasons for this. Firstly, the driver or locomotive, which is at the very back of the train, you will need to have a clear view of the carriage towards the tracks ahead. And secondly, for your comfort and safety, just in case you have to stop suddenly. Okay, thanks very much. Enjoy your trip.
We have boarded steam train to experience the natural beauty of Snowdonia National Park. The Snowdonia Railway also offers scenic steam train rides that provide visitors with stunning views of the Welsh countryside. Snowdonia National Park is a protected area located in North Wales, covering an area of over 2,100 square kilometers. The park is named after its highest mountain, Snowdon, which stands at 1,085 meters and is the highest peak in Wales and England outside of the Lake District. The park boasts breathtaking scenery and diverse landscapes, ranging from rugged mountain ranges to tranquil lakes and rivers. In addition to its natural and cultural heritage, Snowdonia National Park offers a wide range of outdoor activities such as hiking, rock climbing, cycling, and water sports. Finally, we have reached highest peak of Snowdon Mountains. It is unique and beautiful landscape, rich in history and offering a wealth of outdoor activities and attractions for visitors to enjoy. We are now traveling to Beaumaris for a seacoast safaris tour to see Puffin Island. This is a 90-minute boat trip that takes visitors around Puffin Island, a nature reserve home to various seabirds and marine mammals such as seals, dolphins and porpoises. We came here to travel to Puffins Island through Seacoast Safari boat trip. They also offer fishing trips which are adventurous. The small island you can see ahead is Puffin Island. It is a small uninhabited island located off the coast of North Wales in the Menai Strait. It's known for its large population of adorable puffin birds, which are easily recognizable by their brightly colored beaks and distinctive waddling walk. In addition to puffins, the island is home to a variety of other seabirds, including razorbills, guillemots, and kittiwakes. The boat trip takes you along the stunning Welsh coastline, with the chance to see other wildlife such as seals, porpoises, and dolphins. Once you reach Puffin Island, you can get a glimpse of the puffins as they fly, dive and socialize with other seabirds. we got a chance to see some seals playing around the island. There are also some different types of birds on the island. Puffins are known for their distinctive appearance, with their brightly colored bills and distinctive black and white plumage. They are also known for their ability to fly underwater, using their wings to fly through the water in pursuit of fish. Puffins have specialized bills that are adapted to hold multiple fish at once, allowing them to bring food back to their young in their burrows. Due to habitat loss and overfishing, some puffin populations are declining. We spotted few puffins on the sea and managed to capture one. The tours are led by experienced skippers and guides who provide informative commentary on the wildlife, history and geology of the area. The boats used by seacoast safaris are modern, comfortable and equipped with the latest safety equipment, ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience for all visitors. Next stop as part of our travel is Swallow Waterfalls. This falls is a popular tourist attraction in Wales, located in the village of Pettisocoed in Snowdonia National Park. It is a series of waterfalls on the River Lugway, surrounded by beautiful woodland scenery. The falls are known for their impressive height and the spectacular display of cascading water. If you are visiting Snowdonia National Park, Swallow Falls is definitely worth a visit, as it is one of the most impressive natural attractions in the area. Thanks for watching our travel vlogs. If you enjoyed watching our journey, hit that like button and subscribe for more travel adventures.